The Arctic Circle has some of the most extreme weather conditions. This cold, windy, and snow-covered land only supports very little vegetation and animal species. But Arctic animals are adapted for such extreme conditions. Hibernation in extreme cold seasons, cryptic coloration, and thick coats help them to survive within the Arctic region. Here are 10 animals found in the Arctic region. Snowy owl. The large snowy owl lives in the northern polar region. The males have brilliant white bodies. Females are also white, but with dark spots. Their keen eyesight and exceptional hearing help them to find prey. Snowy owls are opportunistic hunters by nature. They will wait to identify their prey. Lemmings, Arctic hares, mice, and other birds are their main sources of food. Canadian lynx. The Canadian lynx is a species of the cat family, living in the northern polar region. The long legs of the Canadian lynxes help them to walk easily in the snow-covered Arctic areas. During the winter season, they have a brilliant white coat, which changes to brown in summer. Arctic hares are their primary prey. Arctic hare. Arctic hares are a species of hare found within the extreme environment of the northern polar region. Their thick coat of fur and specific habits help them to survive within the extreme cold climate. Arctic hares also change colour in different seasons, sporting brilliant white coats during winter and grey in spring. This colour-changing habit helps Arctic hares to hide from predators. They have a length of up to 24 inches and weigh up to 7 kilograms. Arctic hares can also reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. They form groups of up to hundreds of members and huddle together to share warmth. Woody plants and roots are their main sources of food. Arctic tern. Arctic tern have a medium-sized body with a length of up to 15 inches and a wingspan measuring up to 85 centimeters. They make nests within the inlands of the Arctic region at times of breeding. In the winter season, they migrate to the Antarctic region. In that way, the Arctic tern became the bird that sees more daylight than any other species on Earth. Their annual round trip covers a distance of 70,900 kilometers. Beluga whale. One of the smallest members of the whale family, they live within the Arctic and subarctic ocean. Their brilliant white color and prominent rounded forehead makes them easily identifiable among the species of whales. Their length ranges from 13 to 20 feet, and they weigh up to 1.3 tons. Beluga whales are very social animals by nature. They make different kinds of whistles and clicks to communicate with each other. They also travel for long distances during the extreme cold winter season. Worms and small fishes are the main items within their diet. Muskox. The muskox lives within the frigid Arctic tundra areas. Their long, shaggy hair helps them to survive within dangerously cold climates. They have short inner hair, and that layer is covered with a long, thick outer layer which protects them against the cold winds and snowfall. They have a massive body, weighing up to 370 kilograms. They use their strong hooves to search for food in the snow-covered lands. Roots and mosses are their main sources of food. Arctic fox. Arctic foxes can survive within the dangerously chilly climate of the Arctic tundra. Their thick, white fur and behavior itself keep them alive in the extreme weather conditions. The tricky fox makes tunnels in thick snow-covered areas to use as shelter. The color of their coat also changes with the seasons, having white color in winter and brown in summer. This color changing and adaptation to their surroundings helps them to catch prey. Narwhal. Narwhals are known as the unicorn of the sea because of their sword-like long spiral tusk. They live within the Arctic oceans. Also, the long tooth is only found on male narwhals. They use this strong long tooth to fight with rivals and to impress females during mating season. They travel and search for food in groups of up to 20. Walrus. The long-tusked walruses live within the frigid Arctic Circle. They live in groups, having thousands of members, spending most of their time on huge ice blocks. Both male and female walruses have strong tusks that grow up to a length of 1 meter. The long and strong tusks of walruses are useful to break the ice, so to take a breath from under the ocean. They also have the capacity to slow down their heart rate in accordance with the frigid winter season. Polar bear. Polar bears spend most of their time on the thick ice sheets in the Arctic region. They have very thick fur that helps them to survive in extreme cold temperatures. They also have fur under their paws so that they have enough grip when they walk on ice blocks. The strong paws also help polar bears to swim easily in the Arctic Ocean, and they will swim hundreds of miles. They have a height of 6 feet and weigh between 500 to 720 kilograms. Polar bears are powerful predators, and seal are their main prey.